In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for a Microsoft Teams meeting. Let's dive right in and make navigating your meetings a breeze with a simple scan of a code. To start, head over to the Microsoft Teams website and log into your account. If you're unfamiliar with this step, just remember you'll need your credentials handy to access your account successfully. Once you're logged in, the next thing you'll want to do is find the Meet button, usually located on the left-hand side of your screen. This button is your gateway to setting up or scheduling your meeting. Now with the Meet button clicked, you have the option to either start a meeting immediately or schedule one for later. Depending on your choice, a meeting link will be generated. If you're scheduling, you might find the link under the Meeting Links section. There, simply click the Share link, which will allow you to copy the invitation link. This link is crucial for the next steps, so be sure to copy it correctly. With your meeting link in hand, open a new browser window and navigate to tinyurl.com. This website is a useful tool for shortening long URLs, making them more manageable and shareable. Once you're on the tinyurl site, paste your Teams meeting invitation link into the long URL section provided. By doing this, you're preparing to create a shorter, more convenient link. After pasting your link, you'll want to click on the Shorten Link button. This step transforms a lengthy URL into a compact version, which is much easier to incorporate into a QR code. With your new shortened version, you're almost ready to create the QR code itself. Now look for an option or a button labeled QR. Clicking here will initiate the process of generating your QR code. Once your QR code is generated, tinyurl provides a couple of options for downloading it. You have the choice to download the code as either an SVG or PNG file format. SVG files are great if you need to scale the image without losing quality, while PNG files are more universally used for straightforward, easy sharing. Decide which suits your needs best and click to download your file. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for your Microsoft Teams meeting. With this code, anyone who receives it can quickly scan to join the meeting, eliminating the hassle of manually entering URLs. This is a fantastic way to streamline access, particularly for meetings with numerous participants or when you're on the go. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy meeting.